All right, welcome back to my channel. So that this trending video, trending news from the northern part of Nigeria that I would like to share with us before anything, because so many of you may have watched it. You can see this picture here showing northern youths gathering themselves, put one of their brother, they designed Donald Trump, American president picture, and put it on his face simply because they want him to represent Donald Trump. And what did they do? They are beating the guy, torturing him, showing the former Iranian president, Ayatollah, you know, in the gasket and everything, kind of they are revenging and all that. In a country that terrorism and banditry has been the order of the day. And American soldiers happen to be in Nigeria as we speak. And these people don't even care because the problem this security in Nigeria has gotten to the level of jihad. They are no longer hiding it. They have to focus on it to show you what they think and show their grievances. Whereas some Christians and other religions in Nigeria are still massaging the world, massaging this problem as if it is just normal day, nothing, no problem. But Northerners are showing you what they are capable of doing. All right? They are showing you what they can do. To them, do your worst. That's what they're telling you. So we are going to touch other things here in this particular video, and I want you to make sure you subscribe and like and share this particular video. It's going to be one of the video that you like. To some of you who actually care to know the updates, all right? To some of you, it just like Kai report is just talking nonsense. But I'm telling you, it is time for you to sit down and begin to connect the thought, to know where your problem is coming from, and that will help you to make a very good decision. So, having said that, like I said, we have this northern youth, showing their skills on how to preach jihad or terrorism, as you may call it, as you may like to call it, because tell me what will you say when you watch this video? Just look at it. Just pay attention.
It seems as though they are mocking Donald Trump because there is a man dressed in suits with a picture of Donald Trump over his face, being dragged, beaten, shamed. It seems like some kind of satire. It's not a real mob action per se. It just seems like they are trying to send a message internationally against what is going on in the global field. I think that's kind of like with the war between Iran and some other countries, I guess, including the US. Because in this video, the man is Donald Trump, basically. And they are stoning him orange, beating him, cursing him. And I think this is going on in northern Nigeria. It's unclear which state. But so far, this is what we're seeing. It's unclear the purpose, the aim. It's not stated what this is supposed to do, but well, it's really going viral on social media, and I guess it's interesting to see what this does.
All right, like in Christian, you have this passion of Christ and all that, but this one is a different thing altogether, totally different thing. So you can pay. Here you see the video, the gasket of the man, the Iranian president, former supreme leader of Iran, they called Ayatollah and all that, who happened to be the initiator of what is going on in Nigeria. Because Nigerian Muslims are one of the most backward and senseless group of people. Why do I say so? You want to copy Iran. Iran have constant power supply than Nigeria. They don't copy Iran's system of power, energy system, or even to build weapon, since they love carry weapon, to even sell it to other countries. No. They choose to buy it from Iran, and they force Iran donating it for them to become like them. And they don't copy another thing, but everything that the Iranian people are crying for is what northern Nigerians are bringing to Nigeria. And they have succeeded in planting, seed of Sharia in the whole corner of northern part of Nigeria and the southwest. Christians in Nigeria are very, very docile, very, 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 very weak, Very, very weak. They don't talk. Christian leaders in Nigeria is one of the main problem of Christians in Nigeria. Maybe you're gonna talk about it later, but I just want you to pay close attention to the audacity of these people. They don't hide their face. They are not even panicking. They are showing it before you. Pump and play. They are not trying to sugarcoat anything. They are just straightforward to let you know this is who we are. This person said, so northern Nigerian youth had a man wearing the face of Donald Trump on a leash, and he said, and on I don't know what it means, Donald Trump on a leash, and we're torturing him. I don't know what it means by that, but you understand what he's talking about. It is not hidden. There's a video that did the marvelous arrangement published today that I want you to pay attention. UN just posted Sunday is the International Day to combat Islamophobia. Meanwhile, the Muslims, our issue is killing every non-Muslim. We will pursue Jews and Christians all over the world. Okay, either they convert to Islam or we will buy them. Whereas UN is trying to say combating Islamophobia, that you should not be afraid of Islam. You see the jealousy of non-Muslim in this recent world is shocking. Honestly, you don't see the danger, or are you? I don't understand. These guys are not even kind to let you know the agenda. A few days ago, Islamophobia came out and said that he's Mubad, the whatever he called himself, that he is a jihadist. And after saying this, some people are still trying to act as if no, there's no problem in Nigeria. We are just peaceful people, and we can coexist and all that and all that. In a country that has some Dokobo, who is nobody to compare what Northerners have to offer, open his mouth and say this.
My name is Mujahid. He who carries out jihad. That's what it means in Arabic. That's the name I adopted. Listen to me very well. I'm an Islamist. Yes, I am. I'm a Muslim.
Are you getting the point? He's not hiding it.
I am. My name is Mujahid. He who carries out jihad. That's what it means in Arabic.
I get the point. Literally telling you that you are seeing me so, I'm a jihadist too. And go and find what is jihad. Just ask yourself, this jihad, what does it mean? Now, like I just shown to you here, as the UN claiming they are building what the United States posted Sunday, this coming Sunday is the International Day to combat Islamophobia. The Muslims are busy reminding you of what they can do and what they actually represent. Hear this nonsense. By God, if we chase the Jews from Palestine, okay, and what again? I can't read this one. And they don't surrender to Islam. Even if they go to the end of the world, we shall chase them. And then we will call all Christians to Islam. Because this is the only religion of Commonwealth. I don't understand. Literally telling you that because jihad is you must bow by fire, by force, or they buy you.
نعم ديننا دين الرحمة. نعم أنا أوصي أولا يعني الإخوة المجاهدين في سرايا القدس أن يستمروا في عملهم المقاوم. نحن لا نحب الحياة. نحن طلقنا الدنيا بالثلاثة. نحن الذين عمروا آخرتهم. والله لو أخرجنا اليهود من فلسطين.
Now, this is the kind of people that you want to massage well with. How? It's not possible. You are just deceiving yourself. Or is that you yourself are jihad enablers? Forget about you are bearing cross, you're holding Bible. Most of you are actually jihad financier because you don't tell your followers the truth. Now, UN, you already know UN has been conquered, so it's not surprised. I'm not surprised they are standing that way. Okay, so in the midst of all this, in the midst of all this thing, all this chaos, all these stories, all this fear, Sunday Igboho from Yoruba land, who claimed that he's fighting for nation, Oduduwa Republic, have already surrendered. He surrendered to Tinubu. I don't know if he's a Muslim or not. I cannot tell because I think he's a traditionalist. But in Yoruba land, you have few percentage of Christians, just very, very few, and mainly traditionalists and Muslim. So Islam are dominated in Southwest. But Sunday Igboho don't bother. Because one thing people don't know, it's not as if you surrender to Islam, problem will end. No. They will say come after you. Because your Muslim is not good enough. The religion is meant to buy people. There must be somebody that will buy. That is the religion. I hope the YT will allow me to publish this video because
2027, 100%.
100%. Because sometimes they don't like this kind of video, but I will try my best to see. That's why I wanted to come live. I said no, let me upload it. I don't want to spend time online after everything. They will tell me to pull it down. Let me just upload it. Let me just record it and see if they will accept or not. So hopefully they will. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Anytime you're going to come across this video, I expect you to like it and share it. Sunday Igboho, many of you have known that he has surrendered, right? Then this video, he always speaks Yoruba language. He was warning Atiku and Obi not to come to Yoruba to campaign or do anything. He even called them names. I am not here to protect Obi. Obi is a nobody to compare the nonsense that he's committing. I don't hate him, but why I say he's nobody because Ogo Chefu, and then abandon if supposed to men. These are people who are supposed to know the problem and go straight to solve it. Nigeria is there to your freedom is there to for a take. You are going merry-go-round, trying to coexist with somebody that no country, nobody in this world have ever coexist with Islam. Especially those that are very radical and senseless like that of Nigeria. Islam from other countries, Indonesia are not facing what you are facing in Nigeria. Although their own is not that radical because they are, but not as bad as what you have in Nigeria. Because in Indonesia, they are more liberal to compare what you have in Nigeria. In some countries in Asia, okay, in Middle East, Arab countries, they don't push religion to become only Muslim. Like if you go to China, you must be a Buddhist before you rule them. If you go to a country like all those Muslim countries, most of them, you must be a Muslim before you rule them. In India, the number one religion there is Hindus. In China, in Vietnam, in Thailand, in Mongolia, you talk about Buddhists. But in the secular state, supposed secular state like Nigeria, they are massaging with the Christianity while conquering you and sucking you dry, and nobody is there to save you. Sunday Igboho is busy threatening for 4 years, making an enemy that he can never ever recover. This is Sunday Igboho that the African Liberation Army released a Yoruba man who came to buy Igbo youth in the name of Nigerian army. They captured him alive. PM gave instruction that they should release the man because of Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho is here threatening P2B. You see, we don't play politics like them. We don't behave like them. They can support devil as long as they come from Southwest. Here, this.
For second time, the young 2027, 100%. 100%. I'm actually, I don't know. No more article will be with the I saw you online.
No more article, no more Obiwere. Sunday Boho, freedom fight in the queer.
After I remember as well, I could Baba, I belong for another extra. I don't make it live. I buy you whatever to have to leave, guys. Go for very article with it.
Pure betrayer. You know, you don't trust any of them. Forget about the do not trust them. When they're saying good, when they're behaving well, behave with them. The moment they change. That's out of. Don't bank on them. If you bank, you live to regret it. Please do me a favor, like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I have something else to share with us before we go. There's a video here. All right, like I told you, we are going to touchlight many things in this particular video, simply because most of these things are somehow connected. It is connected because a lot of updates. You know, today they have released this man called Abakiari. Okay, in case you are not aware of that, Abakiari have been released, discharged, and acquitted simply because Tinubu did it because he wants to have northern voters. He wants to draw northerners to his side. That's why northern youth can come out and begin to insult Donald Trump like this, and nobody is challenging them. Look at it. If you do this, for example, if you bring Ayatollah that is dead now and gather in maybe in Enugu State and design somebody like Ayatollah and begin to push or throw something, just the same thing they're doing here. If you do it in response to this, they will start killing your, Igbos in the north. Instanta. That is the world we are living in. And you want to tell me that this is the kind of world, the kind of country you want to hand over to your children. That means you are, in fact, you are worst parent or worst father or anything you are, whether a man or a woman, you are the worst among everything. You see, we have some Mefulef who don't think about tomorrow. Their own is to people like Udele. People like Udele. Okay? And somebody, this Yoruba guy, says something about Udele. I want you to hear what he said.
I'm going to be your useless name. You are very stupid. I don't go better for any place with you. See, let me tell you something. You don't go better for any place with you. Because I don't know, this will be when they shout at you, blah, 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 terrorism, this kind of thing. Now, the government they use, they hijack all those stuff. Yes. If there are more people, now government they use.
We know, everybody know.
They go do their terrorism finish. They go terrorize particular society, particular community. They go terrorize and finish. Go tag them as IPOB. That's what they do. But not this game. Now this game now, that's how those people that you play.
This guy is just few days in Igbo land, and he already understands. He already sees things for himself. I told you. When I asked a question. This idiot never get that now. Udumeje's house was occupied and taken over by Omoma. I'm not defending Omoma or anything here. I just want you to understand this. But the part that shocked me is that Udumeje is praising Matam Namakan. This guy is insulting Matam Namakan on behalf of Udumeje. They will be the one to level people's home down, attack them, and still turn around and say that IPOB or Igbo youth are this. Come on, we know all those things. Sometimes some of these governors will tell you that it's a mere propaganda. I don't know why. There's an interview that I watched today of Kenny Black. I'm talking about Governor Muneke, not the Kenny Black of the Yoruba comedian, no, the Governor Muneke. He granted interview to, I think, Channel TV. And there's something he said about the Enugu State government. He said that he made a video calling Enugu State government attention about what's going on in the Hamburg and in some other remote area in the Enugu State. And the governor responded. He did not respond direct because they always feel proud and all that. So he just made a post that some people are additional propaganda and all that. That is what motivated him to start, creating content that has to do with how government and governors are handling insecurity and they're pretending and the response from government. You see? Because one may think that they don't know. How can you not know as a governor the truth? Are you just pretending that you don't know? Hear what he said.
But I say before people like us, so many people they advocate for mass in that camp. So now people still believe say that camp now still terrorists. But I never know say we get everything we don't see before we start by in the camp. Everything we don't see. Now they bad. Now they very useless. And we ask you a question. If you say in American be that terrorist when they claim, why in American trial long like that? 10 years in trial. You know ask yourself question. But I never say they get under ground soft when they want try to. When they just say they're shot in a mass in American room, but the men will just lock up. But I don't say you get where they go. Why the trial go long for 10 years like that? It's a saying you need to do if I don't jail at 10 days, execute at 10 days, just but all when I say because I do my hippie, and they don't really like it to my and to say you really terrorize when they just say don't terrorize everywhere. They don't buy up 10 days. See, I don't know when they open a here because I don't know where they go. This Nigerian government are very evil and they are so desperate. They can do and not do.
Even the guy you are talking about, he's aware of it. He knows.
Anybody who won't come their way, they will eliminate you. Because in Africa, they their way, they block their way. Now, when they find way to come make a look and say, in Africa, they call this stupid animal. This one where they up here. When they say that they go to terrorize will contact them as I feel. Okay, ask yourself a question. Tiger Base. Imo State have been away. Tiger Base police station. Them say go back to finish. They go tag them as IPOD. Right thing I only have to tag them. They find way to.
He's a Yoruba guy, yo. Few days in Igbo land. He can tell you this. Just few days in Igbo land. He had decoded the truth. He know the truth. Do you understand? He already know the truth. Somebody again also sent a message to him.
Brother right here.
To Udele.
Has a very vital message to Udele. Udele, aka the king of the game, like he always called himself. He has a very vital message for him. Though I have decided never to say anything about him anymore. Let him be doing anyhow he likes. But I believe that time shall tell. But for the fact that I came across this video, and it was quite interesting, that is why I've decided to pass the message across so that, the message can as well get to him. It is very, very important. Now, let's pay attention to hear exactly the message that this our job brother right here has for Udele. Watch.
Actually, this is the way they do to your mother people, Igbo people. I hope you like her. They don't decide to rise against people who bring you up, where your father abandoned you. Now, this is the way they do finally, if you can't turn against you, we can go to your shooter. Because your mother people, now, which people are they? Without nothing, go there, they make noise, they brag. So you are looking for the Igbo terrorists. You are waiting for them to kill them. My brother, Igbo no get terrorists. The terrorists, they are Papa people, now Osa people. Go north, go kill the terrorists. We have 5 groups. They come to your mother side, people bring you up. They rant, they do nonsense. What about this thing when they try to run to? They try to run against you. They can start to run like that.
Sorry about that. Let's continue. It's just very, very sorry because
you are looking for the terrorists. You are waiting for them to kill them. My brother, I will not get terrorists. The terrorists, they are Papa people, now Osa people. Go north, go kill the terrorists. We have 5 groups. They come to your mother side, people will bring you up. They rant, they do nonsense. What of now this thing where they try to run to, the party come turn against you. They can start to run etasketa. My brother, if you run to the south will push you out. If you run to the north, finally, the northern has to, they don't use you finish, they will push you out. The east will push you. But every the 4 corner of Nigeria will push you out. You better refrain from what you are doing. If you get sense, you better quit run. Because finally, the Igbos, they will conquer you. And the man will they for that side of will abandon you. For now, they use you, they carry make money. What do your mother will do? People they fight for their rights, they go against them. The one Nigeria now, the Nigeria way we did, we one savage. The only way Nigeria that our oil, now the house they use. But the good, they know bring a man, make good to use and make it go around for everybody. The oil itself, when Nigeria that gets they deprive us from the oil. The east to the oil to now still the house as they use. The guy is still showing man go rich. You go come out from your mother house, go get on your own. So now, if the Igbo say they don't tire to stay with their fathers, for instance, say they won't go na crime, you can allow them to go on their own, make them live their life, marry them. You might think at yourself, as they use you, they go front. But no worry, you go run to the sea will be boiling. You go run to the rock will be melting. You go run to the sky, the sky will be cold on you. But finally, nemesis will catch you and regret making you good. Continue your effort to your mother people.
Okay, I hope you get the point, right? Anyways, I am not going to say more than this. For the world is enough for the wise.
Thank you. Exactly. Enough is the word for the wise. The word is enough for the wise. And it's not only jail alone. That's one thing. But people are picking on him because he said to show his face. Not only him, not only Udele, we have many other people, Keshoso, Jovika of this world, Iken Guru Ago, and so many other people. I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you think about all this, because it's I just touchlight Sunday Igboho. There are so many things behind Sunday Igboho decision. And when the time comes, because of course time will eventually come, when the time comes, you are going to hear, although they know that some of them felt betrayed. Some of them are even feeling it as I speak. But they may not see the pain, not yet, until when Tinubu finishes his tenure. It go clear for their eyes. Anyway, let me just end it here. Please let me know what you think about all we discussed so far. Make sure you like the video. Platform of your choice. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye for now.